Good morning, first graders. It's Mrs. Croissant here with you. We're going to talk about writing today. Last week, we talked about ways to bring our stories to life. We talked about the two ways. Unfreezing people is to make them move and make them talk. And we spoke about how we can use our words to make our stories more interesting. But we didn't talk about exactly what we do with that. So today I want to talk to you about when we make our characters talk. We have something called quotation marks, and that's the part we put around their actual words, the actual things that they say. So let me give you an example of that. In my story, I have right here, "Everyone, quickly line up at the door," I called out. Now, the part that I'm saying as a teacher is, "Everyone, quickly line up at the door." So, I don't know if you can see it because I have it in blue, but I have these little quotes. And this is at the beginning. And you can see how they're kind of going around the first word of what I'm saying. And then my talking is what happens in between. And then at the end, I have my quotes. So in between these two quotes are the words that I'm saying. Today I want you to go back to your story that you've been writing, and I want you to read it. And I want you to see where your character has done some talking. And remember, the character can be the dog, can be a cat, can be a person. It depends on what it is you're writing about, what your characters are. So I want you to go back, read your story, and see where you can put in some talking if you haven't done that already. After you've put in your talking, I want you to practice putting your quotes around it, because we have to know as readers where that talking is happening. If I don't have quotes, it might be confusing. You might not understand where the character is talking and what they're actually saying. It would just blend in with the rest of our text. So we need to call it out with our quotes. So today and this week, while you're doing your writing, when you're writing your new story or you're working on a story that you've already started, I want you to go back and see where you can put in your quotes. I want you to try and add some dialogue. Remember, the dialogue are the words that people say. So I want you to either add dialogue and put quotes around it, or go ahead and put quotes around dialogue that you already have, words that you already have. My class is doing a great job with their writing. You're turning in wonderful stories. I'm really enjoying them. So keep up the good work, boys and girls. Keep turning in those stories. I love seeing them. And I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.